Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for hidden or vanishing NordVPN coupon codes, you're in the right place. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN promo deals for 2025, including those codes that tend to disappear quickly. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings before it vanishes. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPN services worldwide, with lightning-fast speeds, over 6,000 servers, threat protection, and the ability to unlock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing securely, NordVPN is a must-have. Here are the codes you can try right now. Vanish 83, save up to 83% off 2-year plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free on long-term subscriptions. Hidden 25, extra 25% off select annual plans. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new customers. Safe 15, 15% off monthly and yearly subscriptions. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your NordVPN plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the max discount, try another. One of them will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. These NordVPN coupon codes vanish fast, and once they're gone, the deal is gone too. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and lock in your NordVPN discount today. If this video helped you save, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.